Strawberry syrup, 2 ways, using 3 ingredients, so simple. Hello, my name is Jersey. Let's jump right in and get this started. And I just wanted to show the tools. This is what I get the caps or tops out of. And then I put the strawberry in there once and went like that, and it divided into 4 easy pieces. I like to add my ingredients first before I put them on the heat. I'll leave the links below to both recipes that I'm doing, and I'm starting them out exactly the same. I'm going to do them both the same time, the same cooking. Do this on both batches, no sense in watching it twice. Bring it up to a slow boil. As soon as it hits a boil, turn it down to the lowest and let it simmer 25-30 minutes. Just a quick note, notice how bright this gets. When it gets done, it'll be translucent. Now it's boiling at low for 20 to 30 minutes. And this is why I like the Denabi. See how they're losing its color? If it does boil over, it comes up and goes right back down. And it's been about 25 minutes. I had this on super low. That is more than enough. You can see they're losing their color, getting like translucent. That's perfect. I'm going to shut this off and I'm going to let it sit a half hour while I go eat my lunch. No heat, no nothing, just let it sit. I don't want to stir it because I don't want to mash up the strawberries. The strawberries are not going to get mashed in the syrup. It's going to be like a strawberry simple syrup that doesn't contain the pulp. In about a half hour, I'm going to not try to disturb the strawberries too much. I have a fine sieve with another strainer which will help hold it level. And I'm not going to press the strawberries. I'm not going to push them down. Right now we are only after the liquid, clear, simple syrup of strawberries. This makes a small batch, which is perfect because it only lasts about 3 weeks in the refrigerator. I'll have this with sourdough waffles, sourdough pancakes, over ice cream. And I'm just going to let that drip. Oh, it's also great in kefir. I'm gonna let that drip for about a half hour. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator because it's not too hot. And I'm gonna start the next batch. This is batch number 2, and I'm keeping the pulp. And we are at a nice boil. I'm gonna turn it down to the lowest setting. 25-30 minutes. Now I'm going to process this with my stick blender. I'm going to hit it a few times, and then I'm going to ladle all that into this one jar. Now this is another way of having strawberry sauce, but keeping the fruit in the jar. The foam will dissipate. Now I'm going to show you the final syrups. So here's the one that we just finished. Has the syrup and the pulp. This is the one we took the pulp out, and it's pure syrup. And here's the little bit of pulp left. I'll have that in ice cream and my steel cut oats tomorrow, so nothing goes to waste. I really love this over other foods. I mean, I like this. This is more like a strawberry jam, but this by far is my favorite. That's the way I prefer my syrups. And I'll actually mix it with maple syrup when I have my sourdough waffles and pancakes. And I know the chickens would love this. When I do large batches, I will give them some of that. For now, they're very happy just eating the tops. There she is, wondering what I'm doing. Hi, Tossie. There you have it, strawberry syrup, 2 ways, using 3 ingredients, 1 with pulp, 1 without. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try it. This is Jersey saying have an awesome day, and please subscribe, hit that bell, all notifications, and see you on the next video.